Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off AI Live Translate on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Advanced Intelligence. Then tap on Phone. And in here, tap on Live Translate. Tap on the toggle button to turn on Live Translate. Now, once you turn it on, you can select a language, so me, and then select which language you are using. And then tap on OK. And then we're just going to cancel that one because we need to select another language there. So that's me and then the other person. So here we can choose the language for the other person and then tap on OK. And then tap on download. And now the phone will proceed to download the language pack. It is around 330 megabytes. So just wait for that to finish. Okay, once it has downloaded the first language pack, it will proceed to download the second language pack. And again, it is around 330 megabytes to 350 megabytes. So somewhere in between that. Just wait for that to finish as well. And once it has finished installing, you can go down and set the voice.
This is what it sounds like when you're translating.
You can also change the speech rate. And then down here you got mute other person's voice. So you will only hear a translation of what the other person's saying. Language and voice preset for each person. So you can set language and voices to use for calls with specific phone numbers or contacts. So you can customize so that if you're talking to a different peer person, then it will allow you to set a different language for each different person. And then you got more advanced intelligence features. So tapping on that will allow you to change the AI for other app as well, such as keyboards, photo editors, and notes. So okay, let's go back into phone. So once you have installed the Live Translate, you can use it in your phone app. Okay, so during a call, you can tap on Call Assist, then tap on Live Translate, and then and here you can perform live translation. If you speak in one language, it will automatically translate to another language. So here we can test it out. Bạn khỏe không?
Oh, that's lot.
Bạn khỏe không vậy? Bạn khỏe không? Bạn khỏe không? Bạn khỏe không? So here I can say, this is live translate. This is live translate. Now it is a bit hard when we have two speakers running side by side, so the phone can get confused with the audio, but as you can see, when I speak to this phone, it will automatically translate to the other person, and on the other device or the other person will hear a live translation. So using the artificial intelligence on your device, it will automatically translate the call. And you can download other languages as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.